Ever wondered about the difference between these two familiar-looking plugs? They might seem similar, but they're not interchangeable, and mixing them up can cause real problems. Let's break down their design. RJ45, used for Ethernet, is an 8-position, 8-contact connector, meaning it has 8 pins and 8 wires. In contrast, the smaller RJ11 for telephones typically uses a 6-position setup with only 2 or 4 contacts. Inside, RJ45 cables feature tightly twisted pairs of wires to reduce interference, while RJ11 uses simpler parallel wiring. Functionally, they are worlds apart. RJ45 connectors support high-speed gigabit data transfer and even power over Ethernet, PoE. RJ11 is designed for much slower speeds, handling analog voice calls or low-speed DSL internet connections. Their bandwidth capabilities are simply in different leagues. So, remember to match the plug to the port. Use RJ45 for your computer, router, or network switch, and reserve RJ11 for landline phones and DSL modems. Forcing an RJ11 plug into an RJ45 jack can permanently damage the sensitive pins inside your expensive networking gear.